글쎄 말을 하자면 사실 좀 길어. 아까 일어났을 때 뭔가 시간이 좀 밀려. 조금만 잔다는 게 hey, 깨고서나 차 싶어 yeah. 화난 게 더 당연해. 변명하지 않을게 지금 어디야 babe. 일단은 내가 다시 미안해 yeah. 택시 탔어 도착 네 앞에. 이미 나왔음 조금 기다려줄래. 어제 네가 한 말 들 걸 그랬나봐. 요새 나도 모르게 좀 피곤했나봐. 굳이 너 만나기 전에
it's hard. It's alright.
Poseidon.
나 금방 도착해 기다리게 해서 미안해 내가 두 배로 잘할게 오늘 어디 갈지 나만 딱 믿으면 돼. 나 금방 도착해 서 있는 네가 보일 때 내가 두 배로 잘할게 오늘 어디 갈지 나만 딱 믿으면 돼.
Day 2 today.
Yeah, boy. Going
Any
to
words?
Calton Hill.
And
Super tired. My thighs are freaking dead from yesterday.
okay, wait. The restaurant is here.
날 괴롭히는 것도 고민은 항상 날 무너뜨리네. 세상에 맘껏 날 쏟아부어도 남아있는 건
Wow, this is wow.
이제 나를 보면 찡해. 그저 나도 말할까 말까 이런 모든 게 다 죄라면 이제 나를 보면 듣고 느껴 이제 난 달라달라 I'm not sure anymore. Keep try 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 Keep try 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 try
Is the
날 흔들었던 문제들도 다 널 보고 있음 알 것 같아 난 yeah yeah 어디든 갈 수 있어 펼쳐진 꽃처럼 그곳은 아마 그려보던 그림이 되어 남아있는 건 나 하나. 이제 나를 보면 찡해. 그저 나도 말할까 말까 이런 모든 게 다 죄라면 이제 나를 보면 듣고 느껴 이제 난 달라달라 I'm not sure anymore. 이제 나를 보면 어때 기뻐 아니면 같아 같아.
look at that guy. Oh. Oh, oh.
It's a bad joke. Oh, it has blue feathers.
Yeah, it's fine.
You do a portrait of this.
Hello. Hello. Oh. It's gonna be a future house. This feels like Japan. Hello. I'm currently in the main library. I just got my student card. Yeah, all of us got our student cards today. And we're gonna head back to just unpack and unload, and we're gonna go for dinner later. I guess this is our student card. Yay! Yeah, and today I got a few pairs of shoes today. Two of them are back at home. I'll show it to you later, and this is one now. Yeah, so I got this pair, stumbled upon a release. Yeah, I've got this already, but I just got another one. So yeah, good day. Yeah, and those two are getting their cut now. New cut. Just got their haircut. Oh, look at Aaron. Oh, Lucas. The undercut.
아늑한 도시에 흘러나오는 노래를
Hello, I just got back from the main library and now I'm back in my room. Yeah, so these are all my haul from the past few days. So I caught some Nike Dunks and some Yeezys. So the first item I want to show you guys is this pair of Nike Dunks. So this is the latest colorway of Nike and Ambush collaboration. Yeah, this pair is really nice. So these are the new Nike Ambush Dunk highs. I think it was the Flash Lime colorway. Yeah, but please do correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, so these are the brand new Nike Dunk highs in a size 10. Yeah, so this is a pair of sneakers that I got from Adidas. It's from Yeezy Day, and I got to purchase a pair of cream whites. Yeah, and I actually got the chance to purchase two of these in the website. So this is the first pair, and then for another box, I have not opened this yet actually because I just got it from the mail. So I'll let you guys unbox it with me. A brand new pair of Yeezy 350 D2s. So do let me know if you guys are interested in buying them because I'm actually selling these sneakers today to fund for my university life. So I've got a pair in UK 10.5 and another one is in UK 11. So now to the last unboxing of the day. Yeah, and I guess you guys already know from the title, but it's a pair of Nike Dunks. Yeah, I love this pair so much. I just love how versatile it is. Yep. So that's the last pair for today. Yeah, I know it's very dirty to keep shoes like this, but my room is just so small. Yeah, so that's all the haul for today. And my trusty little kettle here. So if you guys are interested in more contents like this, just like and give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, bye.